Hello and welcome to Talent Tutorials. Today we are going to learn how to determine equation of a line in space. Equation of a line in space. To determine equation of a line in space, we require two things. First, coordinate of a point, and second, a direction vector. At first we are going to find position vector of the given point. As I have mentioned earlier that to determine equation of a line in space, we require two things. First, coordinate of a point, and second, a direction vector. We have also need to understand what is the requirement of this direction vector? Why it is required? Because we know that from a given point we can draw or infinite number of lines can be passed. Infinite number of lines can be passed through a given point. So to find the desired line, to find the equation of a desired line, we require a direction vector. And what does it do? It makes the required line parallel to the direction vector. It makes the required line parallel to the direction vector. It means we are going to find equation of a line passing through the given point and parallel to direction vector. Understood? So how can we determine? Now there is a question, how can we determine equation of a line passing through a point? So vector equation can be determined as A plus lambda. Lambda is a constant. B. What is A? Position vector of given point. Position vector of given point, and B, a given direction vector. So this is the required vector equation. Required vector equation. Now we need to discuss how to determine Cartesian equation of a line in space. So it can be determined as x minus x1 over a equals to y minus y1 over v equals to z minus z1 over c. Here a, b, c are direction ratios of the direction vector. Here the equation, the vector equation of direction vector is ai, bj, ck. So here you can see a, b and c are direction ratios of this given direction vector. And what is x1, y1, z1? So x1, y1, z1 is coordinate of given point through which line is passing. And what about x, y and z? This is arbitrary points. This is arbitrary points of the required line. Understood? I hope that I made you understand how to determine equation of a line in space. I am repeating again that to determine equation of a line in space, we require two things. First, coordinate of a point, and second, a direction vector. And to find the required vector equation of required line can be termed as A plus lambda B. What is A? Position vector of given point. So here we can just conclude with this equation xi yj zk. This is the position vector of this point xi yj zk, or sorry, x1i y1j z1k plus lambda into ai bj and ck. So I hope that you have understood. After this we are going to take an example to make it clear.